Population growth and pollution continue to strain the global supply of fresh water. In less than 30 years, global demand will surpass the availability of fresh, clean water. This critical problem has scientists and engineers struggling to find more efficient and cost-effective solutions for water treatment. For years, reverse osmosis filtration has been a reliable method of treating water, but it's an expensive and energy-intensive process. This technology relies on the process of forcing water through a series of semi-permeable membranes wrapped around a center core tube. The world needs a better, more affordable solution to keep up with the demand for clean water. Henkel, together with Aqua Membranes, has found a solution which is coming to light.
The challenge is very real. The crisis pending in the world is very real. It's up to companies like Henkel to develop the technology, whether that's chemistry, whether it's manufacturing processes, whether that's better design systems to solve that problem. We connected with Aqua Membranes, who had been developing this technology, this concept for several years.
Henkel has been critical in the development of this solution of printed spacer technology. Their global reach and their expertise in resin and resin development has helped us go from lab to production to customer sales.
Aqua Membranes' extensive knowledge of membranes and the process of filtration and separation was instrumental in enabling this new solution.
Our engineers developed a replacement for mesh feed spacers. We actually take Henkel resin and print it right on flat sheet membrane. This gives us the option to print any pattern, any height, any option we want.
When I first heard about this idea, I thought it was really exciting because it's an opportunity to make membrane filter elements much more sustainable and efficient, which means we can produce more water for lower cost, which is something that the world is faced with as a challenge.
Henkel's industry experience and knowledge of resin technology was critical to bridging this gap.
Printed feed spacers are so superior to mesh because they lower the cost of the systems to both buy and operate and lower the cost to expand the system. The way we do this is actually print a much more open pattern for the water to flow through. This leads to a 55% reduction in the wasted energy associated with the process. We can also print the spacers thinner, and thinner spacers mean more area for every membrane element. That actually lowers your total capital cost for new builds. This innovation is going to change the game in RO.
We met with Aqua Membrane and the team and several element producers to really understand what the market requirements were to print directly on delicate membrane. We quickly found out that no standard printing process met all the application needs. That meant that the team had to come up with a completely new printing process and a completely new resin to make this technology viable. The key was a precure process step that made all the rest of the technology steps work together.
This new technology is part of Henkel's Loctite brand of products, a brand known throughout industry for performance and reliability. This breakthrough printed spacer technology, along with Henkel's global capabilities, will contribute greatly to providing cost-effective and energy-efficient solutions for water treatment.
Henkel brings a unique set of competencies: chemistry, manufacturing technology, innovation management, and market focus, which have enabled this solution, and many others like it. Our collaboration for this project with Aqua Membranes is typical for Henkel. This solution to a global problem, which has challenged engineers for many years, is only possible by jointly leveraging the expertise of both partners.
Innovation is not just a word at Henkel. We accept this challenge to help solve the world's water problems with innovation.